This video shows how to install Yanhua D70F3426-B lock fastening interface board. 1. Push the lock fastening of the interface board to the unlock position. Find the interface board installation area on the instrument according to the visual positioning mark on the interface board. 2. Find the correct positioning holes of D1 to D4 on the instrument. 3. Align the lock buckle of the interface board PCB precisely with the installation area, and also align with the positioning points D1 and D2. 4. Finger down pressure interface board. Push the PCB lock buckle to the locked position to lock the interface board. Installation is done. 5. Confirm again that the interface board D1 to D4 positioning pins are completely aligned with the D1 to D4 positioning holes of the instrument. Yanhua MQB interface board has the advantages of compact size, precise pin positioning, easy installation, pin connection is firm and stable, not easy to loosen, and safer data reading and writing. Thank you for watching.